really appreciate you guys watching our YouTube channel. Anyways, please like, subscribe, and get notifications whenever you need to watch our videos. Anyway, to the cooking. Today, we are going to be making noodles, but not the regular type of noodles. We're going to be adding eggs and peppers. So hopefully this turns out good. Now let's get into the video. First, you need to open this bag. Make sure that when you're making noodles, you crack them. So make sure you only add a little bit of stock because it's not good for you to add too much stock to your noodles. Now when you're done adding all four of all the packets, then that's when you get to add the water and the chicken stock. Now, guys, some people have been watching our videos but not been subscribing. Please subscribe to get notifications and to watch more good videos and lots of cooking. I'm almost done adding all the packets. And now it's time to add the soup stock. Now, make sure you only add half the amount of the packet of noodles you're adding to the thing. If you're adding 4 noodles, only add 2 chicken stock packets. Adding 6 noodles, only 3. Because too much chicken stock is not good for you. Anyways, I'm done adding the chicken stock, and now it's time to put the water inside of the noodles and put it on the stove. Now guys, it's time to add the water. Make sure you add enough water for all your noodles because you want the noodles to turn out good. Make sure you add enough chicken stock for all the noodles. Add chicken stock for more flavor and to make the noodles taste good. Anyway, time to put it on the stove. Anyway, as you can see, it's time to put this in the trash. When you're cooking, make sure you always clean up. Also, when you're making food, any type of food, make sure you wash your hands because you need clean hands in order to make food. So, now, while the noodles are on the stove, let's get to the eggs and the vegetables. First, you need 2 spoons of oil. And make sure you add 2 spoons, 1 spoon, 2 spoons, and that's enough oil. And now I'm going to add the vegetables first and then the eggs second. Now I'm going to wait a few seconds before mixing up the vegetables in the plate. I really hope this turns out well. Now it's time to get to the mixing. Now while those are cooking, I'm going to crack the eggs. And it's time to stir the vegetables. Let's turn this down a bit. So I turned it low, and let's finish cracking the eggs. And now, almost done cracking the eggs. Just beat the eggs quickly, and it's almost time to add the eggs to the vegetables. Almost done. And now, time to add the eggs. Now, as you can see, the eggs and the vegetables are blending in nicely, so the eggs will be done soon. Now it's time to check on the noodles. They're not really done yet, but I'm going to have a nice look at them. Now, time to check on the eggs again. Almost done. And it's almost time for the eggs to get put off the stove. So, luckily, this is turning out quite nicely because the eggs are almost done. The noodles are starting to heat up, so let's just turn these while the noodles are getting ready. Almost done. I'm going to check out the noodles now. And now it's finally almost time to put all this into action. Now you don't always have to add vegetables and eggs to your noodles. You can also add.
Okay.
And since the eggs are finished, it's time for us to wait for the noodles. Now, while we wait, I'm just going to return some of the things that I used. It's always important to return everything that you use. Else, what will you have to use next time? Now, I hope you're enjoying the video. So, make sure you comment down below, what do you think of the food that I'm making? Please make sure to subscribe, like, and share with all the people you know. And now I'm done with the eggs. It's time to start the noodles. They're looking pretty good so far. They're getting soft. Pretty soft, which is good for the noodles. Soon we're going to be having good noodles. Now, I used beef broth for this, but you can use chicken broth, any type of broth you want, so. Almost done. We have to wait a few more minutes. So, while we're waiting, let's finish cleaning up here, shall we? Respect all the items you use to cook. Else, what items will you have to cook the next time? Make sure you keep everything back to where you found them and where they were. Now, the noodles are definitely, oh yes, they're almost done. So, if you tried out this recipe, tell me how it went for you in the comments below. Now, the noodles aren't quite done yet, so I'll do it later. Now, as you can tell, this looks very fresh, so I could just pour it into a, or maybe, the noodles are done. And congratulations, the noodles are done. Now, it's time to test out the noodle. Now, and now I'm adding the noodles to the vegetables. And now it's finally time to mix everything up. It's turning out very good. and I can't wait to dig into this with my siblings. And they're almost done. So the noodles are done. So if you liked this video, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!